Example 4, another application of the law of cosines. Yay! Bearings. What we have is a ship that travels 60 miles due east. So from point A, we're going east of your compass rose here. Never eat soggy waffles. Then adjust its course northward. North, as shown in the picture, and after traveling 80 miles, the ship is 139 miles total from its point of departure. We're going to figure out what our bearing is. Now remember, if you have a bearing, you measure your bearing from the vertical. So we are trying to find out what this angle is right here. So what we could do is we could figure out what this entire angle is on this oblique triangle. Figure out what this angle is by using our law of cosines, and then subtracting 180 from that angle, because this angle is not going to be a total of 180. You know, a straight line gives you a 180. It's going to give us something between 90 and 180, and we're going to be able to subtract 90. I previously said 180, but I meant 90. So let's use our law of cosines, and you're going to use your alternative form, which is finding your angle. So we're trying to find angle B, which means we're going to take the arc cosine of a squared plus c squared. Why is my pen writing weird? Minus 2ac. Nope, sorry. What am I doing here? My pen is messing me up. A squared plus c squared minus the b squared all over 2 times a times c. And then we're going to find this angle, and we're going to subtract 90 from it. So if we say angle B is the arc cosine of a squared, which is 80, so 80 squared squared, 80 squared, plus 60 squared, minus 139 squared, all over 2 times 80 times 60. And that should give us an angle measure of, let's just plug this in our calculator here. So the arc cosine, second cosine, parentheses. Now we're going to have to do something on top. So we're going to have to take 80 squared plus 60 squared minus 139 squared, in parentheses to close off the numerator, divided by, parentheses, 2 times 60 times 80. In parentheses, in parentheses. Uh-oh, I must have messed something up. In parentheses, what did I forget? Divide, divide, divide. Gotta see this whole thing here. Okay, so in parentheses here, arc cosine. Oh, I forgot to square my 60. So let's insert a square here. So second insert square. Enter now. Yes. So you get 166.2 degrees. 166.2 degrees. So that is the green value here. To find the pink, what we're going to do is we're going to take to find our bearing, we're going to take 166.2 degrees minus 90, which is equal to 76.2. So this is your degree measure, but what direction is he heading in? So he is heading from here, he's heading northeast. So we would say he's heading 76.2 degrees north of east. So there's a bearing problem, which was not too horrendous.